Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to install Thunderbird, how to use it, how to customize it for your everyday use. Thunderbird is an email manager just like Microsoft Outlook, except you're able to customize it a lot more and make it look really cool. And one of the best things about it is that it's completely free. Every update is completely free, and you never have to worry about spending a penny on any email client. So I'm going to walk you guys through all the steps and let's just get started. So the first step is going to be the installation process. What you're going to do is just go to Google and type in Thunderbird. It should be the very first one, mozilla.org/Thunderbird. The same people who made Mozilla Firefox made Mozilla Thunderbird. So just click on the link and click free download. And now you should get this pop-up and click save file. Go to wherever your download location is and run the file. And now you will get this window and you just have to click next. Click custom. Say yes to this. Make sure it's checked. Click next. Click next after that, and then click on your desktop. And I just do these two. Forget the third one. Click next. Click install and let it install. And then click. Make sure that's checked, and then click finish. Now you will get a window that looks like this. Just check this, uncheck this, and click set as default. Now if this comes up, just say skip this and use my existing email. Then you will have to type your email and your password for that email. So I'm going to use an email that, just for this video, I'm going to use an email that I just use as a spam email. So now make sure this is checked so you don't have to type this in every time, and then click continue. And it will look up who your internet provider is. I'm using Hotmail, so it's going to be POP3. And if you have Yahoo or Gmail, click IMAP and then click done. Oh, that's the wrong password. Hold on. As you guys can see, I never go on this email because it's a spam email and I had the password wrong. But now it's right, and I'm going to click continue. And it'll say this crap over here, POP3, yeah, outgoing. Your username, and then just click done. So it's going to check your password. And now you will see here that your email will be displayed. You're able to go to your inbox and see your emails. So if you click on inbox, you will notice that this bar is down here, and you're able to move it, and we just want to get rid of this. So what we're going to do is go to your bar right here and just right click menu bar. Then this should pop up. Now what you're going to do is go to view, go to layout, and click vertical view. So now you will have your inbox over here and your messages will show up right here. You can change that to something else if you just experiment with this over here. View, layout, and you can just mess around with these. And you guys may have noticed that I do not have any mail in here because I haven't clicked get mail. So go ahead and click get mail. And now it will start to check your server for mail, and you could just let that run. So if you go ahead and click on an email, you will see that this over here comes up and it says, to protect your privacy, Thunderbird has blocked remote content in this message. And this is going to show up every time unless we fix this. Also, you will notice that the pictures do not show up as well. So we're going to fix that. Now what I want you guys to do is go to Tools, go to Account, Settings, and you will see that you have all these settings over here. And this is where you can add another mail account, by the way. So you can have 3 emails or 4, or however many emails you want on the side here. So over here you can change your account name, which is this over here. You can make it say whatever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it say Davy Burr. You can have a signature. So I'm just going to put Davy Burr. Go to your server settings, make sure everything is fine. I do check for message I do 1 minute. And just click, I was going to say click OK, but let's check out these other settings first. Make sure your composition and addressing, it says start my reply above the quote, because I know the past versions it made you start below the quote. So just make sure it says above the quote. Include signature for replies if you want your signature on the mail, on an email. Your junk settings. Just leave this checked to be safe. Make sure everything's good. Just click don't delete any messages and click OK. So now you will see that we still have this this error message and the pictures are not showing. We're going to fix that right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Tools. You're going to go to Tools and Options. You're going to go to Advanced. And you're going to click Config Editor. And just say, I'll be careful, I promise. Now that we are in the Config Editor, you're going to type what I type in. I have it in Notepad already, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. This will also be in the description, by the way, so to make it easier for you guys, I put it there. So you're going to type mail, news.message, display, disable, remote image, and you will see that the value is true. So just double click it and make it false, and then just do the other text too I have in the description. You will also type that in and make sure this one switches from false to true. And that is just to take the dash away from your signature when you go and send an email with your signature attached. You will see that there's a little dash above the signature, and that just gets really annoying. So this will take that away. You don't have to do this, but it's just much less annoying if you do. So after we're done here, just exit this. And now I want you guys to refresh Thunderbird. So you will go back into Thunderbird. And if this comes up, it means that you exited way too fast and you opened up too fast, so it still thinks that it's open. Just wait a few seconds and open it up again. So now you will see that, and this is if you if it detects that you've been trying to refresh too many times. I usually keep my email refreshed every 10 minutes. I just did it 1 minute because just for the hell of it. But if you're getting this alert over here, all you have to do is go to your Tools, Account Settings, and change your check new message every 5 minutes is okay. Anyway, you will see that we are able to see the photos. We don't have this error that we had before coming up here, and it looks good. Now you guys may have noticed that there is no print button. A way to print is you right click and print or file print. To make it easy, what you can do is right click up here on this bar and click customize. You will see a button that says print. Just drag that out right there, and now you can just quickly print like that. Also, if you guys want to delete any of these buttons up here, like I don't need archive and I don't need junk, what I do is just right click on any of these buttons, click customize, and then just drag archive into here and drag junk into here. Now you will have no buttons. If you guys see this little green button over here, that means that the message is not read, and you can click on the button, the blank button right here, to just make it green again, and the message will be unread. So you can mark your important messages or messages to check later using that. You can also use the star to do your favorites. If you see this paperclip, that means that the message has an attachment with it. So a picture message would have that clothespin next to it. Now, if you guys go to your address books, you will notice you have two address books by default. Collected addresses is all the emails you collect while you're using Thunderbird, and personal is your personal ones. If you guys want to import your contacts from your email, what you would have to do is go to your email on the actual website. So like I would have to go to Hotmail, and what I would do with my contacts is export them as a vCard. Then you just drag the vCard to you're going to have to download it, and what I do is just drag it to the desktop. From there you can go to tools and click import, and you will see that it says address books, so click address books, and you're going to import that vCard, and all your contacts for your email will appear. So then you're able to just write, and it will automatically suggest who you want to email when you type the first letter in. Now, my favorite thing about Thunderbird, my absolute favorite thing, is the themes. If you guys want to add a theme to make it look really nice, to kind of give it like a Mac look or any other kind of look, what you can do is go to Get Add-ons and then click here and then type Fox, and then you will see something that says Noia Fox, and just click install. And I am also going to type in deep. Let me see if it comes up. Yep, deep dark, or yeah, deep dark, and click install. Accept and install. And these are two really awesome themes that are my favorite. And I'm just going to enable the deep dark right now. You can also go to appearance and enable them there. And let's get with deep dark. So we're going to enable it, and it'll tell you to restart. So you're going to have to restart. And you can see my entire theme changed. This is my favorite because I check my email at night and I can see this without hurting my eyes. If you guys want to check out the other theme, what you would do is just go back to add-ons, you could be in tools, add-ons, and this will come up. Appearance, go to Noia Fox and click enable, and you can restart now. And this is the other theme. This one looks really nice. I really like it. It's just too bright. So if you guys go to extensions, you will see that the Noia Fox has more options. You can make it a blue theme, no borders, just rounded tabs. If you guys look at the tabs, square tabs and rounded. I like the square better. So just experiment with that, see how you like it. And now I want to talk to you guys about add-ons. So say you guys wanted to add a calendar to your email. What you would do is go to Tools, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and just type in Calendar. And here you can see Google Calendar. This can synchronize with your Google account. Provider for Google Calendar. There are so many kinds of calendars. There are so many types of add-ons. So just experiment with the add-ons, see what you guys like, and just experiment. Experimenting is the best way you could get to know this program. Remember that you're able to change how much you want to see of the email or how much you want to see of your inbox using this. You can also customize the buttons up here. You can customize this. All you have to do is right click on stuff, guys. You can change the columns here. You right click and you can check what you want and uncheck what you don't want. If you want to organize your emails by dates, just double click date, and that's how you do it. Now I'm going to get rid of chat because I don't really use the chat, so right click on the button and then just drag it back into the other buttons. What you guys can do really quickly is right click on the tab and click pin to the taskbar. So then you will have it as a mini icon over here. You will also see that it's in your start button. Very distracting, this little thing. Well, anyway, you're going to see that it's in your start menu as well. And that is because when we installed it, we asked it to be in the start menu. So you guys can also make Thunderbird start up when your operating system starts up. I don't recommend it only because it will take a few more, maybe another minute for your operating system to start up. What you can do is just go to, let's see here, all programs, go to startup, and open this folder. You can open it, and then all you have to do is drag the icon into the folder, and it will automatically start up. If you want to disable it, you go to your start button and click or type msconfig. Go to startup and just disable Thunderbird. And then click apply and then OK. One last thing I want you guys to do is go to tools, go to options, go to general, and make sure that these three are checked. So whenever you have Thunderbird opened, it will prompt you that you got a new email. So you will see a little box over here that says new email and a little preview of the email. Now you guys will probably notice that if we close Thunderbird and reopen it, you will, this keeps coming up only because I've restarted it so many times for this tutorial. I'm just going to ignore that. But you will see that this comes up, and if you guys do not want this showing up every time you log in, what you would want to do is go to Tools, Options, General, go to this location and just delete it, and then uncheck this, and then click OK. So now you can see if we restart it, it will not be there. So many errors. I'm getting so many errors because I'm restarting it and I'm trying to make this tutorial fast for you guys. The last and most important thing that I want to say is to back up all these customizations that you have, your email included. What you want to do is go to your start menu, search, and go to app data. %, app data, %. you're going to see this folder called roaming, and you're going to go down to where it says Thunderbird, and you're just going to copy this folder into a USB or wherever you guys keep your backups. So if you ever have to reinstall Thunderbird, you could just drag this folder right back into %, app data, %, and just throw it in here, and your customizations will be exactly as you back them up. Just for future reference, if you guys are having trouble finding the app data location, if you're using XP or Windows 7 and you guys just can't find it at all, what you guys probably need to do is go to personalize, and then you're gonna just click the previous folder over here, appearances and personalization. You're gonna have to go to folder options and click show hidden files and folders. Right here you're gonna want to click show hidden files and folders and drives. Just click OK, and you should be able to go to your app data folder in XP or Windows 7. Now, I would not suggest giving those files that we backed up to anybody, because it will log you in your email automatically, and you don't want someone else going in your email beside you. So that's it, guys. Enjoy your new email client, and if you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and if this video helped you out, share it with others so they don't have to pay $100 to $200 for an email client. Alright guys, peace.